Me and my friend Kayla, we are skateboarding. She's a first timer. There you go. Isn't that hard, is it? Isn't it fun? Unless you fall on your face, crack your nose open. Goddamn. Let me show you how to turn. Here. Hold this. Hold it. And make sure it's on me. Sometimes put on YouTube channel.
Yeah.
It's already on, so.
I know.
Okay, make sure you do that. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I fucked up today. Look at that. See, like, then like, make your feet flat.
Let me see, let me see, let me see.
Okay. There you go.
Nice boobs.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Oh yeah, thanks.
All right. You got this, Kayla.
Yeah. Yeah, you.
If you can put the fucking board on, right? Go, Kayla. It's your birthday. Ow.
You wanna move?
Go, Kayla. It's a birthday. My boobs are bouncing. Oh, yeah. Look at, there you go. See? You just did your first kind of U-turn. Not really.
I am so smooth.
High five. Epic high five. Bam. Can't really get that. All right. We are ending this. Toodaloo.